Okay, I'm reloaded.
DJ Whiteout.
Show you niggas what time it is, man. Hey, yo. Yo, done these little bitch ass niggas shot up my car. Your little dirty motherfuckers know you all. Little snitch ass bastards, bitch ass bastards. I still be in your hood, coming through for mad years. Out in Brooklyn, I see your punk asses again. There'll be murder, I don't care who's looking. That's right, catch me right up in Sumnerville. Red Hook, pink houses, and Queensbridge. Still can't nobody run me up out the hood. I'm like the Aki store, see me up in your hood. Whether I'm there for business or no business, y'all idiots best mind your business. When my shots go off, they find they victims. Then I scratch names off the shit list. When my shots go off, they find they victims. Then I scratch names off the shit list. Straight murder, it be straight murder. You shoot me and I still live, and that's your ass. We make homicide look like suicide, but that's murder, it be straight murder. The bullets you hit me with be your last. Straight murder, it be straight murder. Yeah, that's right, that's right.
I can't keep counting how many niggas I cut with my blade. Kilo across your face, as thick as your braids. Nigga, it's hot in the hood, you can't walk with a gauge. Come outside with the pump, you be stuck in a cage. I took the hit and got up.